formation set on 2nd and goal. Dixon lunges over the pile. Touchdown. And Buffalo builds on its lead at 23-0.
That was a statement drive by the Buffalo Bills. 11 plays, 80 yards, going right down the field. They whittled 5 minutes and 26 seconds off the clock. And it was just a physical style of play, just grinding away at that defense of the Indianapolis Colts. And that run defense proves to be their Achilles heel today. And Buffalo is taking advantage of it.
Dixon over the pile and fights his way into the end zone. That tackle by Nate Irving a little bit short for the Colts. Every touchdown subject to automatic review. Did that football cross the plane of the goal line? As they continue to take a look upstairs. And now they have confirmed it. Touchdown stands for Dixon and Buffalo.